Okay, so let's take a look at how you can check SOQL query performance in Salesforce Developer Console. So we log into Salesforce dashboard, then go to setup menu and open Developer Console. Now it should open something like this. Now in debug menu, go to open execute anonymous window. Okay, currently I have one query which I wish to execute. Okay, after executing, you can see I have this execution log right here. Okay, as you can see here, I can check my user debug log that says hello world. Now I wish to see in how much specific time it executed this user debug query. So I go to this debug, then view log panels, and here I wish to select panel named execution stack. Okay, the moment I click on it, it should show you the log for the execution. Now here you see when we close this, and here on the left hand side you will see this execution stack where you see duration and heap. So ignore the heap and check the duration. So this is the time that it took for the query to execute, 2.12 ms. So that's the time took by server to respond to that query. So you get the idea how you can check SOQL query performance in Salesforce Developer Console.